a chair.
Everyone sit down.
Prepare to be embarrassed.
I'm gonna sit.
I'm gonna end you.
What the heck? He farted. It wasn't me.
Everyone heard that.
It smells so bad. I didn't even fart.
It was him.
Leave the class. I'll make you do it again.
I don't think so.
Just do it again.
I don't know what you're talking about.
He can't do it again. He lied to us. That means he actually farted. Do it again or else.
Don't hurt me.
Now.
Fine.
See? It was the chair. He tricked us.
Everyone calm down.
Let's get him.
You don't have to do this.
You're gonna pay for this.
It was just a joke.